Hi everyone, this is KL. For the weekly reading comprehension for this week, we will study about the plants and how important the plants are. So our story this week is plants are important. This is the beginning level, just as you know. I will start reading it slowly and then you might practice with me by repeating after me. And I hope you enjoy it. Before I begin, I would like to go over some vocabularies you may find in the text. Are you ready? The first word is light. Light. Light is the natural agent that stimulates sight and makes things visible. For example, the light of the sun, or the plant requires good light. The next word is stem. Stem. Stem is the main body of a plant, typically rising above ground. Or it is a long, thin, supported section of something. For example, in order for the rose to take in more water, the florist will cut each stem at a 45-degree angle. The last word is gloomy. Gloomy. Gloomy is an adjective. It means dark. For example, the gloomy weather shows no signs of improving. Plants are important. All plants need water, air, and light. Plants do not eat. They use the light from the sun to make their own food. That is why a plant always grows towards the sun. Plants make the food in their leaves. Then they store the food in their stems and roots. They use this food on gloomy days when the sun is covered by clouds. If there were no plants, there would be no life on earth. Plants start every food chain. An animal is the plant, or it is the seed or fruit of the plant. Then another animal eats that animal. Some animals eat both plants and animal. Now you read that information about how important plants are. I have some questions for you, and I'm gonna give you a little bit time to think about the answer of these questions, then I will let you know what they are. The first question is, plants cannot 1. Eat food. 2. Use food. Please write your answer in the chat below. The answer is 1. Eat food. Question number 2. What happens first? 1. A plant uses food from its roots. 2. A plant makes food from the sun. You can write your answer in the chat below when you are ready. The answer is 2. A plant makes food from the sun. Question number 3. Where do plants get water? 1. The ground. 2. The store. Write your answer in the chat below. Well, the answer is 1. The ground. Question number 4. Gloomy means 1. Dark. 2. Bright. Write your answer in the chat below. Well, the answer gloomy means dark. Number 1. Last question. Picture a bush growing in the shade of the tree. How does it look? 1. Most of the bush's branches are growing towards the shade. 2. Most of the bush's branches are growing away from the shade. Please write the answer in the chat below. Well, the answer is 2. Most of the bush's branches are growing away from the shade. Well done everyone. That is about plants that are important today. I hope you are able to read and understand the text. Don't forget to follow with me for the upcoming reading comprehension for beginners. And I will see you next time. Thank you and bye-bye.